Well, hello everyone, it's Louie here, and welcome back again. Right now, we're going to do the 400 subscriber giveaway drawing, so I'm very excited for every single one of you. So let's just dive right into it. I'm not going to waste any more of your time. Let's do it a little differently this time. Alright, so here's the thing. I'm gonna draw a name here pretty soon out of this little satchel I have for one of my Sigma lenses. Whoever wins this, I will need to see some form of identification just because it's vape related. And I did make sure I went through the YouTube comment section. I wrote down every single person's name that commented on that video, that shared and liked that video as well. I'm not showing a sequence of me writing everything down this time. This is where you're gonna have to just have a little bit of faith in me and know that I would always treat every single person right by choosing one randomly. I'm gonna give you a couple more clips just to go by while I get everything set up. Thank you again, everybody. I really do appreciate you guys tuning into my content and checking out my videos. It really does mean a lot to me. And a lot more future content to come, and I have a few new surprises for you guys coming up very soon. Get ready for some new and exciting future content, my friends. So let's just move right into it. So basically right now I'm just trying to find a place to have a seat so I can do this drawing. Let me just take a look for a second. Alright, so pretty much how this is gonna go, I'm gonna take all the 32 names that I have right here. We're gonna pop them inside of my Sigma pouch for my lens. As you can see, there is nothing inside that satchel. Into the satchel. Oh, almost missed one. Oh my. This is make it or break it. Let's see who's got this one. All right, for the mystery giveaway, this is the really, really good one. So we got Jonathan Glanville. I hope I'm pronouncing everything correctly on the last name, Glanville. Well, if I'm not, please correct me in the comment section below. Direct message me on Facebook. You can comment here. Let me know how I can get this mystery giveaway to you. Jonathan Glanville, congratulations, my friend. I'm still not gonna tell you what it is right now. You gotta get it off of me to see what's in the mystery package. But we will definitely figure this all out. Congratulations. And to all my other friends out there, I really appreciate every single person. I do this 100% random. I would never take away from any of you guys. If I could give every single person something, I would if I could, trust me. Please don't feel discouraged. Make sure you always participate in these things because everyone has a very good chance to win. We're at 475 and it means a lot to me, guys, that you guys are paying attention to some of the content that I'm creating and that I put up here. It gives me more motivation to shoot small films like this and review videos, and any kind of video that you would like to see from me, please hit me up in the comment section below. I'd really like to know what you guys would like to see. I would like some real feedback. I'll make content for every single person if I can and upload something. I know that you can win something, and we're almost to 500 subscribers already, so there's gonna be another giveaway coming. Yeah, if you like this video, please smash that like button, my friends. If you wanna see future content, please subscribe. You know it means a lot to me. And make sure you hit that notification bell as well, just so you can see when the future content comes onto YouTube. That's about it, my friends. Peace, love, and happiness to every single one of you. I really appreciate everything. You guys have a good day, and forget the haters.